Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to check out how to check pre-qualification option in Lendio. Pre-qualification lets you see what type of loans you may be eligible for before committing to a full application. And here's how to check. First step, log into your Lendio accounts, and then from the dashboard, just select Get Pre-Qualified or just navigate to the Loan Options section. There, you want to fill out the short pre-qualification form with basic business and financial details, such as annual revenue, time in business, credit range, etc. Once that's done, submit the form, and Lendio's system will scan across its network of lenders. Within minutes, you're going to receive a list of potential loan products that you may pre-qualify for. Review each options, noting the estimated amounts, rates, and terms. And if you're interested in moving forward, just click Apply Now under the offer. Pre-qualification doesn't affect your credit score and helps you to quickly compare funding opportunities. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.